So now that you know about the state loop and how to take charge of the different elements within it, now it's time to take this theory and then of course put it into practice. So if you can go to the additional materials section of this video and download the exercise called the State Blueprints. And what I'd like you to do is just to spend roughly 10-15 minutes having a play about with this. This is most definitely something that you want to come back to time and time again. And what I'd like you to do is to pick one emotion that you would like to experience more of at some stage in the future. So it could be confidence, it could be motivation, it could be relaxation, it could even be something a little bit more ambitious like bliss or euphoria, or maybe it's excitement or passion. Whatever you decide to choose is entirely up to you. And what I'd like you to do is just very simply go through the questions, reflect on how you would use your physiology if you were in this state, how you would use your mind in terms of your internal representations, and maybe have a little bit of a tweak here and there about the label that you use to describe that emotion. So if you want to just take roughly around about 10-15 minutes, have fun with this, engage your creativity as much as you possibly can. The more creative you are with this, generally the more powerful the exercise is. So once you've had a chance to play about with this, head over to the next video and we'll take this even further.